beautiful people, Steph Filipinas here, and today's video I am going to teach you the basic and common phrases in Bisaya dialect that you can use if you ever plan to come here in Cebu or any Visayas places. Or good morning, it means maayong buntag. Good afternoon, it means maayong udto. Good evening, it means maayong gabi. How are you? It means kumusta. What's your name? It means unsa imong pangalan. How old are you? It means pila imong edad. Where do you live? Asa ka gapuyo? When is your birthday? Kano sa imong birthday? You are welcome. Walay sabayan. Thank you. It means salamat.